Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple process on how to chat with OpenAI. So keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser and into the URL box type in chat.openai.com and search. Also make sure to type in your OpenAI credentials correct and log into your account if necessary. Once you're inside the main homepage, you'll be able to see a chat box at the bottom of the Chat GPT page. You can type in almost anything in the chat box. Type in a question or a prompt in the send a text message box, and after you type in your question, send the message by tapping on the little airplane icon on the right corner, or if you're doing this on a computer, you can simply press the enter button. Soon after you do that, your answer will be generated from Chat GPT. You can simply go ahead and chat with the bot or make a joke with it or anything you want. It'll just follow through your command in a few seconds. That is how you can easily chat with OpenAI. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.